Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak Gangwa, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And in today's class, this is the Install Cash and Merchandising 2 class. And in today's class, I'll teach you the qualities which a salesperson should have. Right. So, what are these qualities? We'll see. The sales team should be energetic, enthusiastic, should be ambitious. So all these qualities the salesperson should have. So first of all, we'll see increasingly competitive marketplace. A sales team is continually expected to perform. Nobody feels this pressure more than the sales manager. They are once expected to drive the sales team to quota shattering greatness quarter after quarter. As the sales team begins to scale, it's up to the sales team, lead or the hiring manager to know what qualities make a good person so that they can make the best possible hire for their team. Right. When evaluating sales talent, we need to assess the candidate's cultural fit. A decision will ultimately be made by taking into account more than just the skills of a salesperson and their record of hitting targets. You want to make sure they have the right attitude and character traits for your company so they will mesh well with your team. So now we will find and understand what qualities a salesperson or sales team should have. Right. So this is very important topic, and in all the competitive exams you can see this. Okay. So first quality is what? Ambitious. So you want someone who wants to grow in this position. Ask what they see themselves doing in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. If you want to take some person, then always hire that person who's ambitious, who want to grow himself or herself, who want to grow herself, and always ask this question from the candidate where you want to see yourself after 1 year, after 3 years, or after 5 years. So, from this reply, you can easily measure, you can easily calculate from how ambitious the candidate is, right? Now, second thing is passionate. Passion says clients can feel it, and you want them to genuinely believe in what they are selling. Ask why they want to sell product and what does it mean to them, right? So always this is the second quality. Be passionate for your work. If person is passionate about work, so and you want to hire uh, passionate employees or passionate candidates, so ask them uh, how will you sell this product, and why customer will buy this product from you. So always ask this question from your candidate. Okay, so person should be passionate. Then bold. Find a salesperson who is not afraid to make the call, hit the C-suite for get on stage. Ask them how they would feel about getting up on the stage to deliver an elevator speech to the entire sales team. Do they jump on it? So, if you are going to hire a sales team, so a salesperson should be bold. He always be ready to take challenges, and he always ready to call up and to call the clients. So he should not be like that. No, he said yesterday he said no, so today I'll not call him again. So this should not be happen. Persons or a salesperson should always be ready to call and take feedbacks and call again. Mm, anytime. Okay, so and always ready to deliver the speech and about always ready to deliver the speech and about the product description to anyone, to any customer, anytime. So he should be bold also. Then you want to then optimistic. He should be optimistic. Means yes, you can find a salesperson should be optimistic. I can sell this. You should never think, no, I will not be able to sell it. I will sell it, and I will definitely sell it. Okay, I can sell it. He should never think, no, I cannot sell this. He should be confident, and he should always ready to sell any product. Right? So change the mindset of the customer. Always hire these type of persons who are having positive mindset. Confident attitude is everything. Ask them to sell you something on the spot by handling them a pen or saying, "Sell me this pen." This is very common interview questions. Uh, they can give interviewer can give you a pen or can give you a marker, can give you a phone. Please sell this. So they want to see how confident you are in selling. So always hire those type of persons who are confident enough. Now motivated. Next is motivated. You can forget about reaching quota without this. Ask what is your and why. So always think how will you motivate yourself? If you are getting no positive responses, then how you motivate yourself? So um, always ask these questions from the interview interviewee. How you motivate yourself if you are not getting positive responses, and check the responses. So you can motivate yourself by some persons will say uh, we analyze why we are becoming fail. So this can be a best answer for the interview. Then driven. This is the what puts motivation into action. After asking them why, ask that did once they determine this purpose and what pushed them to action. Again, same thing. What things he did, what wrong things he did, how could it be better? So always think about this and take actions. Then competitiveness. Competition is what drives people to greatness. Tell them the top reps numbers and ask if they think they can beat them. So be competitive and always think positive. Now, courteous. Courtesy person always hire those type of person. Or a salesperson should have courtesy. You should greet the consumers and customers, and he should be polite. So now, honest. You want people you can trust with your firm and your clients. Ask what they do in gray area scenario. What are they could get away with funding, the numbers or small deal, all these things. So person should be honest. So helpful shades of customer service. Ask what they did in the last time one of their clients had a challenge with their product or services. Or helpful in nature. If a salesperson should be helpful in nature, always ready to help the customers, and he should be very polite also. Humble, he should be humble, and he can ask the problems of the customers, and from humbleness he can uh, remove the or he can solve the customer's problem, right? So sales is successful. You want to someone who won't break down. Ask them what they do to reduce stress. A salesperson is the person who can reduce your stress. Okay. Caring, empathy puts on the same side of the cable of the prospect as them they volunteer. And traits of goal disclosure. Always hiring, always hire that type of persons who are intelligent and book smart. The book smart take from the strong ask what their greatest educational achievement was and why. Right. And next, intelligence, street smart. Make sure they have common sense. You don't want pushovers. Tell them and obviously fabricate the story and see if they pick up on it, play it, or if they do run it, they don't. Then awareness. Are they able to make the measure of man or read a room, ask them a question about the person who walked them back to your office, and did they pay attention and can the answer? Then inquisitive. Inquisitive salesmen uncover needs and pain points. Do they ask more than just cursory questions about the position? See if they ask about your career track with the firm. Organized. Cultural workplace, cultural mind, distracting, no sales. How do you manage your time? So, what's your system? Do they have a stream? How organized you are? So, this should be also a quality of a salesperson. He should be well organized, analytical, very helpful for complex sales questions that about the challenging sales you worked on. So you can ask the persons how you solve the situations. So be analytical, learner. You want someone who's always looking to improve, get better. Ask what type or last book they read or classes they took. So social IRL, do they like people and they know outside this circle? So always staying our social online. Then optimistic, positive. Make sure if you hire good person, efficient, hardworking person. Yes. Now, what in a short, in short, I'll explain you all the quality. First one is he should be very polite and he should never use abuse his word and he should never be angry on the customers. Right. Second thing, he should uh, be optimistic person and always ready to sell, right? And you should not think, no, I cannot sell this product. Be confident. The salesperson should be confident because if he will be confident person, then only he can convince customer to for the sales. So convincing power, he should have a good convincing power so that he can convince the customers easily. Right. Then optimistic. I have already taught you optimistic. Then hardworking. You should be a hardworking person and always mm, he should try to find the new ways to complete his work. And he should and the next quality he should try the new ways how they can attract customers and uh, he should give the ideas also for increase their sales, right? He should be a good thinker and can convince customers and always ready to help customers, right? And he should be a person who can convince and who can make uh, stress persons stress free. Okay, so this quality also should be in a um, salesperson. So these are the qualities which a salesperson should have, and I hope you will have all the qualities. If you are not having, don't worry, increase these qualities in you, and definitely you will be a good salesperson, right? So I have already told you what questions they can ask in interviews, in your practical, in your competitive exams. Okay, so be ready, and that's all for the class, today's class. If you have any type of doubt, you can ask me in comment box and can write your doubts in comment section. I'll definitely clarify your doubts in next class. And if you like the video, please share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.